What nobody knows about hydrogen peroxide. Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you've been living without knowing these powerful uses of hydrogen peroxide. The most common mistake with hydrogen peroxide. Before diving into the amazing uses, let's talk about something most people don't realize. Hydrogen peroxide is often stored improperly. Many of us keep it on the bathroom counter, exposed to light and air, which causes it to degrade and lose its effectiveness. Hydrogen peroxide is sensitive to light and heat, and storing it in a clear bottle makes it lose its potency in just a few weeks. Pro tip: always store it in a cool, dark place and opt for a brown or opaque bottle to maximize its shelf life. 1. Natural disinfectant for the home. We all want a clean, germ-free home, and hydrogen peroxide is one of the most powerful natural disinfectants you can use. It kills 99.9% of germs, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Skip the toxic chemicals and use hydrogen peroxide to clean countertops, sinks, and even your cutting boards. Just spray it directly, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it away. Not only does it clean, but it also deodorizes, leaving your home smelling fresh without the harsh chemical odors. 2. Whitens your laundry naturally. Tired of using bleach to whiten your laundry? Hydrogen peroxide is an amazing alternative that's both effective and safer for the environment. Add a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your laundry load to brighten whites and remove stains. It works wonders on stubborn yellowing, and it's much gentler on your clothes than traditional bleach. Say goodbye to the harsh smell and chemical residue. 3. Natural teeth whitening. Yes, you read that right, hydrogen peroxide can be used as a natural teeth whitener. Dilute it with water, about 3 parts water to 1 part hydrogen peroxide, and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. This simple rinse can help remove surface stains, whiten your teeth, and even kill bacteria in your mouth, making it a great option for freshening breath too. However, don't overdo it. Using hydrogen peroxide too often can irritate your gums. 4. Removes mold and mildew. Mold and mildew can grow in the dampest areas of your home, but hydrogen peroxide is a natural mold killer. Spray it directly onto the affected surface. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and then scrub away. The best part? It's non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about inhaling harsh chemicals like you would with store-bought mold removers. 5. Boosts hair health. Hydrogen peroxide can help improve your hair health in more ways than one. While it's commonly used to lighten hair naturally, it can also be used as a rinse to cleanse the scalp. Mix a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide in a cup of water. Apply it to your scalp and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing. It helps kill bacteria and yeast, promoting a healthier scalp, and can even treat dandruff. For lighter hair, dilute it further with water and apply it to your strands for a natural highlight effect. 6. Cleaning and sanitizing beauty tools. Beauty tools like makeup brushes, sponges, and nail clippers can harbor bacteria and germs if not properly cleaned. Soak your beauty tools in a 50/50 mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water to disinfect them. This not only keeps your tools clean, but also helps reduce the risk of skin infections and acne caused by bacteria buildup. 7. Heals acne and skin blemishes. Hydrogen peroxide has natural antiseptic properties that can help treat acne and skin blemishes. Dab a small amount onto problem areas using a cotton ball. Its ability to kill bacteria and promote skin healing makes it a great spot treatment for acne. But a word of caution, don't use it too frequently as it can dry out your skin if over-applied. 8. Foot and nail care. Hydrogen peroxide is a great way to refresh your feet and nails. Soak your feet in a foot bath with hydrogen peroxide to help eliminate odor, disinfect, and promote healthy skin. It also works well for treating athlete's foot, as its antifungal properties help combat the infection. For your nails, using hydrogen peroxide can help brighten discolored nails and prevent fungal growth. 9. Remove stains from carpets and upholstery. Hydrogen peroxide can be a miracle worker when it comes to removing tough stains from carpets, upholstery, and even clothing. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then blot it with a clean cloth. It's great for removing wine, blood, paint stains, and even ink marks without damaging the fabric. Just test a small area first to ensure it doesn't discolor the material. 10. Insect repellent. Here's a surprising one. Hydrogen peroxide can be used as a natural insect repellent. Mix 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 2 cups of water and a teaspoon of dish soap. Then spray it on your plants to keep insects at bay. What nobody knows about hydrogen peroxide. Natural teeth whitener. Hydrogen peroxide is a common ingredient in teeth whitening products. Mix it with baking soda for a natural whitening paste, but use sparingly to avoid enamel damage. Disinfects minor wounds. It's great for cleaning cuts and scrapes, as it kills bacteria and prevents infection. Avoid prolonged use, as it can slow healing. Remove stubborn stains. Mix hydrogen peroxide with dish soap to tackle tough stains on clothing, upholstery, or carpets. Test on a small area first. Cleans cutting boards. Pour hydrogen peroxide on cutting boards to kill bacteria and sanitize them after use. Destroys mold. Spray hydrogen peroxide on moldy surfaces, let it sit, and scrub away for a mold-free environment. Cleanse tiles and grout. Mix it with baking soda to form a paste and scrub for sparkling clean tiles and grout. Clarifies mirrors and glass. Use hydrogen peroxide as a streak-free glass cleaner. Spray and wipe with a lint-free cloth. Deodorizes fabrics. Use it as a natural alternative to fabric fresheners. Spray diluted hydrogen peroxide on musty fabrics to neutralize odors. Treats athlete's foot. Soak your feet in a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water to combat fungal infections. Brightens nails. Soak discolored nails in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and warm water to restore their natural color. Sanitizes toothbrushes. Soak toothbrushes in hydrogen peroxide overnight to kill bacteria and germs. Helps plants thrive. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with water and spray on plants to prevent root rot and improve oxygenation. Clears earwax buildup. A few drops of hydrogen peroxide in the ear can help soften and dissolve earwax, but consult a doctor first. Removes blood stains. Pour hydrogen peroxide directly on fresh blood stains and blot with a clean cloth. Laundry. Add a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your wash cycle as a natural bleach alternative. Fights acne. Dab a small amount on blemishes to disinfect and reduce redness, but avoid overuse to prevent skin irritation. Freshens the fridge. Wipe down refrigerator shelves with hydrogen peroxide to eliminate odors and bacteria. Cleans toilet bowls. Pour half a cup into the toilet. Let it sit and scrub for a chemical-free clean. Neutralizes peat odors. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda and a bit of dish soap to remove pet urine odors from carpets and furniture. Keeps reusable bottles clean. Sanitize water bottles and thermoses by rinsing with diluted hydrogen peroxide regularly.